In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11 quickly and easily in under 5 minutes. So whether you're having syncing issues or experiencing app glitches, this guide will help you get back on track. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. To begin, you'll need to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This key combination opens the Run dialog box, a very handy tool in Windows that allows you to start programs or open folders with a simple command entry. It's a quick way to access many of the features and functions of your operating system without having to navigate through numerous menus. Now, with the Run dialog box open, type wsreset.exe into the text field. This command is specifically designed for Windows to reset the Windows Store cache, but it also works effectively to reset certain elements of OneDrive, especially if you're facing issues related to syncing or app performance. Typing in this command is straightforward, just make sure you input it exactly as I spelled it, wsreset.exe, without any spaces or additional characters. Once you've entered the command, you'll see an OK button on the dialog box. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is it triggers the execution of the command you've just entered. The system will then start working on resetting the cache. This process happens silently, so you won't see any on-screen notifications or progress bars, but rest assured the background task is initiated. After executing the command, give it a moment and then OneDrive will restart by itself. You'll notice that the OneDrive icon may disappear briefly from the notification area on your taskbar and then reappear. This indicates that OneDrive has been successfully reset and restarted. It's a simple yet effective way to solve minor problems you may be experiencing with OneDrive without diving into deeper technical solutions. However, if you're still encountering persistent issues even after performing this reset, you might want to consider uninstalling and then reinstalling OneDrive. Uninstalling and reinstalling can effectively clear out any corrupted files or settings that might have been causing the program to misbehave. You can do this by going to the Apps section in your Windows settings, selecting Microsoft OneDrive, and following the prompts to uninstall. Afterwards, you can download the latest version of OneDrive from the official Microsoft website and reinstall it. And that's it, you've now learned how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most minor issues and get back to using OneDrive with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick